Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Bumblebee Corner. My name is Lisa. I'm happy that you're here today. So I wanted to show you a few things that I am going to drop off at my booth at Storehouse in Port Huron, Michigan tomorrow. They do have a website, so I am kind of starting to load some of my stuff up, the newer stuff that I'm taking. So if there's something that I show you that you would like to purchase, you can go to storehouseph.com and purchase it there. They do a lot of really cool things. So if you visit their Facebook page, which is Storehouse, she does a lot of really cool things and you can purchase online. So go check that out. But I want to show you some of the things that I've been working on and some things that I'm just going to drop off. So I have this little 6x6, just a little shelf sitter. So if you go to like storehouseph.com, you can look up like Bumblebee Corner, which is my store in there, or my booth name, and then you can purchase through there. So there is that. I also did this cool rolling pin. So that's kind of cool to display on a shelf or like in a basket. And here is another. It says every heart beats true for the red, white, and blue. So that's another little shelf sitter. I'm also going to be dropping off just some Reader's Digest books. So there's like this red one. Here's this, it's just black. And then the green. So those are really good just as decorative pieces to use as like risers to set stuff on. And I do have this cute little kitty cat, but she does have a little chip on her ear right there. So just be aware. And I priced it accordingly. And you can't really see it just by looking at it from the front. So like these are really cute just to kind of sit up on a little riser, book riser. And then I have this little, it was like a clay pottery bowl that I've had for a really long time. So I just painted it this really pretty green. I think it's Farm Fresh. I don't remember. But anyway, I think it's Farm Fresh. And just added some greenery onto there. I mean, you could even add a cute little knickknack or something in there. This one's maybe set something in there to help stabilize it up a little bit. And then I'm putting these are cute little Syracuse china, cute little bowls. There's 2 of them available. So if you're interested in those. I also painted up these little books. So I have 2 of these. And then just added some little lace around. Those are cute little shelf sitter. And then this was like a wooden rooster. I just painted that up and just added a little transfer on there. Cute little watering can. And then I also made these up little. This is just a little cloche. I don't know if you can see. It has a little bunny in there. And then this one, it's a little bit bigger, but it has a little bird. And none of this is glued in there, so you could switch it out if you wanted to switch it out, maybe for the holidays or whatever. So I just wanted to show you a few items that I'm going to take to Storehouse. And again, if you go to storehouseph.com and then just go to Bumblebee Corner, and then you can purchase anything. Or you can look out, I know there's other vendors up there too that put stuff on there. And then usually Friday, she does like a Friday, what's it called? Friday flat lay, something like that, where she picks out stuff from all the different vendors, a few items throughout the store. She has different themes every week, so it's really great. So go on and check her out. If you go to her Facebook page, she always has them on there. So yeah, go check it out. Or if you're ever in the area, Port Huron, Michigan, it's out by the Blue Water Bridge. Just Google Storehouse and get her address, and then it's a really cool place. So I hope you enjoyed these things, and I will see you next time. And don't forget, I'm going to be doing these, I'm hoping weekly, maybe bi-weekly, just showing you a few things that I am going to be putting in my booth. So make sure you hit that notification button so that you get notified when I upload these videos. I will be doing some thrift haul videos and then also upcycle videos. So make sure you subscribe and do all the things. So I will see you next time. Bye, everybody.